Okay, so I'm showing you the course that I've created, Advanced Policy LGBTQ plus Populations with Alberto C. Fuentes Jr. I'll show you my communications area. It has my name, my phone number, my email, and my office hours. It also has a Ask the Instructor, and you can send internal messages. You can start here, and it welcomes students. I have a welcome video. Get familiar with week one. You can get the syllabus here, my faculty bio, course information page, textbook info, and other useful links. For week one, I've already put in what's necessary for week one, for the readings due for week one. And the discussion forum, please introduce yourself and state what you would like to get out of the course. And the students are required to reply to at least one other student. And I put the fact sheet assignment there as well, for students to know about their first assignment. Then for week two, I created a welcome message using Audacity, and I laid out the readings that are due for week two and that video that's viewable online for week two. And that's it.